Today we will be examining an interesting game played by one of my advanced students and a beginner in a Danish Gambit. In this Gambit, White tries to deny Black King from castling and tries to generate a strong attack in the center. One of the most interesting variations is where Black does not develop the dark squared bishop, but instead prevents White from moving the pawn to e5 by playing the queen pawn to d6 early, blocking the bishop but defending the e5 square. In this case, White needs to continue to develop their pieces towards the center and generate an attack. Up until now, Black played great. They defended their king side and did not allow White to overwhelm them in the center. Here, the best move for Black would have been to continue development and attack White's queen by playing bishop g4. This move accomplishes three things. It develops the bishop, attacks the opponent's queen, and forces White to move their queen, thereby disrupting their offensive strategy. When Black captured the e5 pawn, their king became overworked, defending the queen and the f7 pawn. My student quickly captured the f7 pawn with his bishop. The king is unable to capture the bishop because it has to defend the queen on d8. Another fantastic move. White does not want to trade queens, but instead starts a devastating attack on Black's king with his queen and bishop. Black played queen d4 to try to generate a sneaky counterattack. When White took the pawn on g5 with the bishop, Black responded with a cunning move, capturing the h2 pawn with the rook. This move was designed to lure White into taking the rook, setting up a scenario where Black could deliver a check with queen to g1. However, White simply moved the rook away to f1, putting even more pressure on Black King. At this point, White delivered a decisive blow by playing bishop g8. Now there is no way for Black to stop the White queen from getting to the f7 square and making the Black King move to the d file. The queen takes the bishop on f8 with a check, and after that, White simply moves the rook to the d file, easily winning the Black queen. Black resigned. What a terrific attack by White. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please like and subscribe, and leave your comments, and we will see you next time.